Okay, this is a very simple event production scheduler that I use to manage the trade shows and events that I do. You can see over here in column C, I have a list of descriptions of things that need to be done for the events that I manage. You can certainly change these to anything that you need to be aware of or that you need to make sure logistically that you complete. This list can be as long as you need it to be. And up here at the top, this is the date of the event that is going to occur. And down below that, you can see here is a due date as well. And in this cell, all you need to know for sure is that there's a formula in here. I'm not going to explain the formula, just know that it's there. And then before you start using this form, click on this cell, hit the plus sign, click and hold down the mouse and drag it down so that you get the same date in these. The reason these dates are the same is because they currently match the start date of the event. But as you start plugging in days out, you'll see that these dates will start to change automatically. So for example, let's say my budget needs to be approved 6 months out or 180 days out. We'll just type in 180, hit return, and you'll see that the date changes automatically. We're just going to plug in some other numbers here so you can see what they look like as we go down the list. And you can see as we add numbers, the dates change to fill in the blanks there. And you can see that none of these are in any particular order. Oops, let's make that something like that. Now let's say you get all the way down the list and you've figured out the number of days for each of the line items here, and then all of a sudden you realize, oh man, the event's not in July, it's in May. It's a simple matter to go up here to this column, click on it, change July to May, which is 5, and once you hit return, all the dates will change. So you don't have to touch the dates again. All you have to do is manage the number of days out for each of these line items. You can change these anytime you want, and when you do, those dates will continue to change. Now, let's change that. So there we go. Okay, now these aren't in any chronological order yet, but that's a simple matter to go up to days out. Click on the down arrow, click descending, and when you do that, these will all line up so that you know which things have to be accomplished first and in what order. So this gives you a very quick way to look at it and figure out how to manage your event and the logistics for that event.